Hold up your hand right now and look closely at your fingers. What if I told you that one of those fingers is about to replace your remote control? What if it replaces your computer mouse? It might even replace your expensive smartwatch. I know it sounds like pure science fiction. It sounds like a movie, but it is happening right now. The next massive revolution in technology will not be a giant, heavy headset sitting on your face. It will not be a massive foldable screen that barely fits in your pocket. It will be something so incredibly small. You might even completely forget you are wearing it. Apple is quietly building a smart ring. This is no longer just a wild rumor on the internet. It is a guaranteed reality. For years, every secret leak has pointed in one exact direction. Every hidden patent tells the exact same story. Apple is getting ready to change the game all over again. If you understand how this massive tech company works, this move feels completely inevitable. It is not a random guess. It is a brilliant, highly calculated master plan. We all know exactly how Apple plays the game. They have a very famous and very successful playbook. To understand the future, you just have to look back at the past. Look back at the year 2015. This was when the first Apple Watch came out. Apple was incredibly late to the party. Smartwatches were already everywhere. Companies like Pebble were making huge waves. Android had already released dozens of different smartwatches. The market was crowded, but Apple did not panic. They did not rush a broken product. They just waited. They watched the market very closely. They let all the other companies make the early mistakes. They let competitors release clunky designs and confusing software. Then Apple stepped in. They refined the entire concept of what a smartwatch should be. They delivered a beautiful, simple product. It completely destroyed the competition. It set a gold standard for wearables. That standard still rules the entire world today. Now, that exact same pattern is playing out again right before our eyes. This time, the new battleground is smart rings. The smart ring category is already a proven goldmine. We already have incredible devices on the market. We have the Oura Ring 4. We have the Samsung Galaxy Ring. These devices did all the heavy lifting for Apple. They proved that normal, everyday people are perfectly happy wearing a smart ring. People will wear them all day. They will wear them all night. People absolutely love them for tracking their health. They love them for tracking their deep sleep. Most importantly, they love getting all this health data without ever looking at a glowing screen. Screen fatigue is real. People want to disconnect. Smart rings let them do that. Because of this massive success, Apple does not need to test the waters. They do not have to guess if people want a smart ring. The demand is already massive. The market is ready. Apple's only goal right now is to elevate the entire experience. They want to take it to a level nobody else can even touch. They want to take the basic smart ring and plug it directly into their ultra-powerful ecosystem. If you want absolute proof that this is happening, you do not have to guess. You just have to look at Apple's hidden patent history. The secret documents reveal absolutely everything. Apple has been filing patents strictly focused on smart rings for many years. They have a massive team working on this behind closed doors. One of the biggest and most exciting clues came back in 2019. That year, Apple filed a major patent for a wearable electronic ring computing device. This was not just a fun concept drawing. It was not a rough sketch. The document detailed a highly advanced piece of hardware. It described a ring featuring its own tiny display. It included a built-in microphone for voice commands. It packed advanced biometric sensors to read your body. Most importantly, the patent showed exactly how the ring would directly control other Apple products. Apple was secretly designing a tiny computer for your finger. It was a clear and obvious evolution of their entire wearable philosophy. The patents did not stop there. Apple kept building on this secret foundation year after year. A massive patent filed in 2020 changed everything. This patent focused entirely on gesture-based controls. This is the exact feature that will break the internet when it launches. This technology allows the Apple Ring G to act as an invisible remote control. Just think about how crazy that is. Imagine sitting on your couch and pointing your finger at your Apple TV to pause a movie. Imagine swiping your empty hand in the air to scroll through a web page on your iPhone. Imagine twisting your fingers to turn up the volume on your favorite song. It is like having magic powers. Later patents went even deeper into this concept. They talked about pressure-sensitive surfaces built right onto the outside of the ring. They detailed physical sensors that could trigger many different actions. You could control all your devices at the exact same time. This proves one major thing about Apple's true goal. The Apple Ring is not just a simple health tracker. It is a magic wand to control your entire digital world. What will truly separate the Apple Ring from every other ring on the market? It is ecosystem integration. This is Apple's ultimate weapon. Nobody else has this. This tiny device is built to work flawlessly with everything you already own. It will connect instantly to your iPhone. It will work with your iPad. It will talk to your Mac. It will sync perfectly with your Apple Watch. It will even communicate directly with your AirPods. The Ring becomes a completely silent, invisible interface. You do not have to pull a heavy phone out of your pocket. You do not have to unlock a bright screen. You just wear the Ring. It constantly connects you to everything in your life. It works quietly in the background. It makes your daily routine completely frictionless. You will wonder how you ever lived without it. Apple is even looking far beyond just the Ring. Their long-term vision is actually mind-blowing. They have explored other weird wearables in related patents. They have actively researched smart anklets. They have even looked into smart lanyards that simply hang around your neck. This proves Apple has a massive, sweeping vision for the future. They want to create all-day wearables that simply vanish into your life. They want technology that is always there to help you. But they want technology that never distracts you. You will not be staring at screens all day. It is the ultimate dream of ambient computing. The technology surrounds you, but you never actually see it. Put all of these hidden clues together. The truth is completely undeniable at this point. Apple is not just experimenting in a lab. They are executing a flawless, long-term strategy. The Apple Ring fits perfectly into their journey towards smaller devices. It fits their journey towards smarter devices. When this Ring finally drops, it is going to shock the world. People will go crazy for it, but it will also feel like the most natural step Apple has ever taken. It makes perfect sense. In my honest opinion, the Apple Ring is going to absolutely crush the market the exact moment it is released. The Oura Ring is a great product. Samsung did a very good job with their Ring, but they do not have the Apple ecosystem. They do not have the Apple magic. The true magic of the Apple Ring will not be how it tracks your daily steps. The real magic will be how it gives you superpower-like control over every single Apple device in your house. It will make screens so much less annoying. It will make interacting with technology feel so much more natural. You will feel like a wizard in your own home. I truly believe this will be their biggest product launch since the very first Apple Watch. It will be their most successful new category in a decade. It will instantly become an absolute must-have item for anyone who already owns an iPhone. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Apple Ring? Will you buy one right away? Or do you think smartwatches are enough for you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you liked the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.